Thank you for tuning back in with your girl Tasha with Sassy Hair Salon. Guys, you won't really be able to see me much. You're going to see part of my head or whatever. But what I'm going to show you guys today is the way I get my hair prepped to do crimps. I don't know if you guys know anything about crimps. Crimps were something that we used to do long time ago. And so my client decided that she wants to try them. And this is what they look like. They're the stove crimps, which a lot of you guys don't know anything about because you're not an old school stylist like myself. So I'm old school and new school. I'll do, whatever. I've been doing hair for a very long time. And so right now, I have my stove. My stove is on. I'll show you that. I'll show you that later in the video. But what I have done so far, right? I've done, she has a fresh relaxer in her hair. So I've treated her hair. I did benefits, 25 benefits. And I do my Chi Shine Infusion. And also I do my Murray Wet Beeswax on her hair. And then after I put all of that in her hair, I run the blow dryer through it so it melts the beeswax on throughout her hair. Because we got to protect her hair from the heat and from the spritz that we'll be using. So I love Fantasia. This is what I use. I don't like too hard of a hole. I like it, she'll be able to run her fingers through it. And Fantasia is the best, guys. It's the best. And I use the firm hold in Fantasia. So, I want you guys to pay attention. And so what I did so far, I molded her. She went under the dryer, and I got her some cute little hairs around there. I won't say baby hairs, but it just works with the look because she gonna have a crinkled look. And so the nape area, guys, I like to clean my clients up. I don't like to send them out of here with hair going everywhere looking like woolly. I like to clean them up and make sure it's neat around here. See, when I was in cosmetology school, I learned to be a barber as well. They teach you barbering, and they teach you. Okay. Now that I got her neck clean, I then proceed on with my sections. So how much hair I'm gonna crimp first. I can smell it. Guys, I'm pretty neat at this. So now that I got her first section, right? This is how I do this. I like to part little sections like this. And I spray my holding spray on because I already treated her hair with the wax. I spray a little spray there. Guys, you don't want to have an excessive amount of heat on the hair because we ain't trying to break no hair. You know what I'm saying? See? And I do this, guys, over and over up the hair shaft. Sorry about that in the background. And I crinkle, and I turn the crinkles like towards the head a little bit because you don't want them to be straight out and have her looking like she's jumping off the side of a mountain, you know, and her hair be sitting out like that, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna do this over and over, part in little sections. So guys, just keep your eye on what I'm doing, and I'm about to get it going. Test it, make sure they're not too hot. The towel is going to tell you if they're too hot. It'll burn the towel. Guys, crimps are so pretty. Notice how you don't smell no hair burn, right? Mm-hmm. Got to know what you're doing. You do this type of stuff. Boy, I used to be so nervous. But some of these hairdressers, they got it, that thing smoking, boy. And they put that clump on you. Woo! Boy, I be cringing. Guys, the proper way to test your curlers is actually on a white towel. And what you do is you put the towel and you put the crimps. And then when you flip it over, you'll notice like you don't see no burn marks. That means the curler is not too hot. Not too hot for the hair. I've been doing this so long that I know the temperature. I know the temperature that the crimps need to be in order to keep from frying the hair off. So that is how we use the stove curlers and the stove crimps. It's like it's kind of like, think about if you go in a stove, how long it'll take you to get hot and be on fire. So that's the way I decide if my crimps and my curlers are hot. I become them as I put it inside that stove. If that make any sense to you. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Close. Let me come a little bit closer and show you guys.
One and only Botox Cosmetic, FDA approved for over 20 years. Book a consultation at BotoxCosmetic.com.
My dad's famous candy green beans were a fan favorite, and now I'm giving him a little bit of an upgrade with no market.
You see me at the work. You see me do me that. So me better work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me at the work. You see me do me that. So me better work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man, beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying. You see me up there, you see me do my da. So me better when you walk a la. And I care for my ta.
Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. M'tourne yon Batman, tellement son hot gal. Your body so poison, le ou move en slow motion, bet it that way. Ven nan gouya doum jwen potion. Le ou work. Le ou descend bi babli ba. Let even be dirt. Le ou glase yon tan kou yon oula. Baby, do the work.
You see me at the work. You see me do me that. So me better work. When you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man,
Ou se yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. M'tourne yon Batman, tellement son hot gal. Your body so poison, le ou move en slow motion, bet it that way. Ven nan gouya doum jwen potion. Le ou work. Le ou descend bi babli ba. Let even be dirt. Le ou glase yon tan kou yon oula. Baby, do the work.
You see me at the work.
also a lot of seating in Shell Island that's in the shade. And as somebody who does not enjoy being like out in the sun, I love this idea.
And guys, the way that I determine, okay, I like to curl the ends of my hair. And what I do is I go by the size of this, and I put the curler with the same size so that when I curl her ends under, it'll be the same all over. So I just get this part, and I just go up under here and curl in those ends that I did here.
Boys seem to like the girls who laugh at anything, the ones who get undressed before the second day. Girls seem to like the boys who don't appreciate all the money and the time that it takes to be fly as a mother. Got my both eyes out for Mr. Right. Guessing I just don't know where to find them, but I hope they all come out tonight. Where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away? I'm a good, good girl who needs a little company. Looking high in love, someone like me. Now where do the good boys go to hide away, hide away?
And then, guys, I like to break it up with a rat tail comb. I use a rat tail to break it up. I just go through there, just like this.
To be fly as a mother.